This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to a hardware wallet. Start by opening your hardware wallet app and creating a new receive address for Bitcoin, then copy that address exactly. Next, log into Coinbase, choose Send, paste the hardware wallet address, and select the amount you want to transfer. Finally, review fees, confirm the address matches your device, and authorize the transaction on both platforms. Open your hardware wallet and navigate to receive Bitcoin, then generate a new address and verify it on the device screen. Copy the address using the wallet app only after confirming every character matches the hardware display. Do not rely on clipboard managers or cloud-synced notes when handling addresses, and double-check for subtle character changes before proceeding with any transfer from Coinbase. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while waiting confirmations, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable straps-free reading and long battery life. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto tutorials, and check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals I mentioned. It's a nice little companion during long syncs and confirmations. Now let's get back to the video. In Coinbase, choose Send, paste the hardware wallet address you verified, and enter the Bitcoin amount to transfer from your available balance. Check the network fee and adjust if you need faster confirmation, then review the full transaction details carefully. Authorize the send with two-factor authentication if prompted, and after sending, monitor the transaction ID and confirm the funds appear on your hardware wallet after the required number of confirmations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.